Mara Roszak, hairstylist with L'Oreal Paris, and I'm going to show you how to curl very easily this curly bob. Just take a spray bottle and spray around the face and the top. And you want to get it wet enough to essentially reshape the curl. I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris curl cream. Basically, we'll just add a little bit of definition and just twist these curls. The twisting is awesome because it basically acts like a curling iron. And you want your dryer to be on the lowest setting. It can be hot, it could be at the highest heat, preferably like medium heat, but then it's on the lowest power setting. Now I have my 3/4 inch curling iron, which is about the size of your natural curl. I like to start at the top because when you start at the top and you work your way down, you're able to get more volume. Take the hair and wrap it around the barrel, remove after a few seconds, and then I'm actually take this curl and flip it to the other side. And that's where you get your volume from when we go to flip it back down. It has a little more lift at the root. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit all over. And again, don't be afraid to kind of get your hands in the hair. And there it is. Really simple way of working with your beautifully natural curly bob.